So it looks like we finally got some proper wind tomorrow. Look at this beauty. Yes. And it's a westerly, so can't wait. Let's see if that's not gonna die off by tomorrow, but here's to hoping. So this looks like an okay 9-meter weather. It's definitely not 25 knots, but yeah, it should be fine anyway. There's a lot of people out, so let's see what's out there. Let's go. So the wind haven't played the ball yesterday, but that's what we get sometimes. It just turned too much southerly. However, we've got a new day today. I've got a foiling coaching session of someone who really wants to give it a go for the first time, so there's going to be a lot of face planting.
Hey buddy, you okay? You look scared. You alright? Oh, have you got lost? Picked you up from the road. You almost got run over. Don't do that.
You right? So the foiling session went well, and right now I'm trying to figure out whether it's worth going out because the wind died off. That's one of the things that sucks when you're teaching. Perfect conditions are when you're in the water with someone else, and when you want to go for your own session, it turns to mush. So yeah, let's see what's what. So the forecast didn't play the ball again. We still got out, so that's a good thing. But over the last maybe 3 weeks, we're getting southwesterlies, which just don't work out as sport. So at least Bryce did very well on the foil. For the first time, he nailed the water starts, which are one of the hardest bits. And then there's a long progression from that to actual riding. Our recommendation always is to keep the board fairly flat and keep the foil in the water, get used to riding the board only, and only then when you feel fairly comfortable with that, because you don't really feel comfortable unless you start actually foiling. That's when you shift your body weight a little bit backwards, and that's when you pop out of the water. We'll do a separate video on how to get up on the foil and the best setup to do that, and also on the very basics of your first runs. There's lots of different tiny tutorials online, but there's few bits and pieces I feel that they are missing out on, and I know how I struggled with the water starts, getting the first floaty runs, so we'll try to highlight that in the next video. For now, well, we had pretty good sessions over the last few days. We're looking into having a nice stormy weather over the weekend, and looks like it's gonna be snowing. Yeah, okay, no. Looks like 25 knots again, and the promises are pure westerly, so hopefully we'll get a proper session in. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.